If our content sparks the interest in you to know more about Sanatana Dharma, do subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Namaste, welcome back to Bring Back Dharma. Observing a fast on Ekadashi called the Ekadashi Vrath has been an age-old tradition of our Sanatana Dharma. Have you ever wondered why people do this? What do people gain by observing this Vrath? If you have such questions in your mind, watch this video till the end. King Ambarisha was observing Ekadashi Vrath as he was a staunch devotee of Lord Vishnu. The fast had to be completed within a stipulated time frame the next day, Dwadashi. Durvasa Muni came to the ashram of Ambarisha on Dwadashi. Ambarisha seeks the blessings of the venerable sage. He offers food to Durvasa Muni. Durvasa Muni says, "I need to do some rituals now. I'll finish that and have the food offered by you." Then he goes and starts his rituals. According to Dharma, if a sage visits your place, you should eat only after he eats. But the stipulated time to break the fast is getting over. Ambarisha has to break the fast before that. Otherwise, the Vrath or the fast will be invalid as per Dharma. So, there's a conflict. He is unable to decide on what should be given more priority, whether he should wait for the sage or break the fast as per the tradition. He prays to Lord Vishnu and breaks the fast as he feels that it's a ritual that he has done out of his pure devotion to Lord Vishnu. Durvasa Muni returns and finds out that Ambarisha has broken the fast before offering the food to him. He gets super angry, chants a mantra and creates a powerful demon to destroy Ambarisha. Ambarisha didn't move an inch. He stayed there. Almost when the demon was about to strike him, Sudarshana Chakra came from nowhere at a blazing speed and beheads the Rakshasa. This would be one of the greatest goosebumps moment if someone made a movie about it. Sudarshana stands as a shield in front of Ambarisha. Durvasa Muni realizes that Ambarisha has done what's right. He apologizes, has the food offered by Ambarisha and blesses him. This is actually a very long story. I have condensed and given you the crux of it. Moral of the story: if you do the Ekadashi Vrath with utmost devotion towards Lord Vishnu, he will be there for you anytime, any day. This episode called the Ambarishopakhyanam is a part of Srimad Bhagavatam. It highlights the significance of the Vrath and the kind of love and grace we get from the Lord if we completely surrender to Him. Coming to the science behind the Ekadashi Vrath, as explained by Pujya Sri Gyanvatsal Swamiji, cancer has 3 treatments: radiotherapy, chemotherapy, and surgery. But now, there's a new way to treat cancer, which is called the immunotherapy. Dr. Honjo and Dr. Allison won the Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine for their discovery of cancer therapy by inhibition of negative immune regulation. Their research highlights the fact that the mighty T cells in each white blood cell have the power to kill 1,000 cancerous cells. They have proved with experiments that if a person goes on a waterless fast twice a month or every 15 days, the T cells in the pancreas increase and there will be no chance of cancer. They also added that if doing that is difficult, we can prevent cancer by observing a 10-hour waterless fast during the daytime for at least 20 days in a year. This is exactly what we call the Nirjal Upvas. Our sages knew this way back. Every aspect of spirituality has a physical, mental, and emotional impact on us. Our ancient rishis knew this and made this a part of our life to promote our health. Hence, we need to understand that Sanatana Dharma is purely based on truth and logic.
If you liked our video, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for listening.